One sunny day, Peter couldn't resist the temptation of Mr. McGregor's garden. He hopped through the tall grass and into the forbidden land. But Peter, being Peter, didn't listen to Benjamin's wise words. As Peter feasted on the delicious vegetables, Mr. McGregor spotted him, and the chase began. Peter, with his quick wit, managed to escape Mr. McGregor's clutches. He ran back home, promising himself to be more careful next time. And so, the tale of Peter Rabbit and Benjamin Bunny teaches us the importance of listening to wise advice and the adventures that await those who dare to be curious.